Welcome to Tech Leveler. If you want to turn off the T9 dictionary on the Nokia 105, this is the video for you. So, whenever you're writing a text message or searching out for a contract, the dictionary will always be turned on, as you can see here. So, when I try to type, a word will automatically populate, and this can be quite annoying. So, you can turn it off by pressing the hash key here. As you can see, now we can type. However, when we come out and then we go back in to write a text message, that T9 dictionary is back on. Again, very frustrating, having to always press the hash key to turn it off. So what you want to do, when you're in a text message or in a contact searching for one, you want to press the option key here, and you want to come all the way down to dictionary, and you want to select dictionary off here. T9 dictionary off, and it's confirmed with a tick. So now, when we come out of the message and then we go back in, as you can see, it is now off. So we can just type any letters we want without the T9 dictionary taking over and adding words. So that is how to turn off the T9 dictionary on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.